Hey guys, Jack here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well. This is a quick and simple video showing you how to install a nano SIM into the iPhone SE 2022 model. So all you need for this is a SIM ejection tool, or failing that you can use a paperclip. So all you need to do is take your iPhone SE. It can be switched on or off. You just want to head to the right hand side of the phone, and underneath the power button here you'll see the SIM tray. So just take your SIM ejection tool and pop it into the hole on the SIM tray there and push firmly down, and it will pop out like so. You can then use your fingers to pull the tray out, and keeping it in the same orientation, you want to take your nano SIM. It will only fit in one way, so slide it in with the contacts facing down and pop it in like so. And then once it is flush like that, you can go ahead and slide it back into the phone. So you just want the contacts facing the back of the phone, slide it in and make sure it is flush so that it's still water and dust resistant like that. And then if we go ahead and check, you can see we've already got service up there, so that is all working. If you guys have any questions or problems, do post a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this video useful or helpful, do please hit that like button down below. It really helps out the video and the channel. And if you're new, get subscribed over here on the left for upcoming content. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.